Hi, now I am going to show you how to fix the problem in the previous video where the success message was not working properly. Email was sending and data was saving into database, but the success message was not showing. So in this tutorial I will show you how to fix. Let's start. Suppose I go and enter, I clean my table again, and this is mail trap. I am going to my inbox. Now let's start from beginning. Click here, email is required. Give this, email is invalid. Now I will enter an email this. So this was the problem. In subscriber it is coming, and also in email you see that email comes right now. So everything okay. But problem is here the success message not showing and data is still into the text box. So how to fix this? In order to fix this, here we see that SMTP debug. So we have to just stop this debug mode, then do this again. I am giving another email address. Now I click here, just wait few seconds. Yeah, everything goes well. Okay, this is vanished. It comes here email, and we also get the email very well. So this was actually the fix. We need to comment it out and then it will work. In the case of success message, everything goes well. We write a good success message. For example, please check your email to confirm the email subscription. Check your spam folder too if you do not receive the email in the normal email inbox. So we write a good message here.